It's green color. When we mix blue and yellow, it makes green. Hey guys, I'm Tiger. Look what I have. It's Play-doh. I have blue, yellow, green, pink. Let's mix two colors and let's see what I get. Blue and yellow. I'll take a little part of blue and yellow. Mixing colors is always fun. Let's blend them well now. Blend, 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 blend. Look guys, what color we got now. It's green color. When we mix blue and yellow, it makes green. When I mix green and pink, what does it make? Let's see guys. Let's take little part of these both colors. Now I'm mixing these two colors. What will we get? Blend, blend, blend. Now I think it's going to be brown color. It's a shade of light brown color, I guess. Now I'll mix green and brown. What will it make? Any guesses, guys? Let's do blend, 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 blend. Now I don't know what color this is. Blend, 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 blend. It's another shade of green. See guys? When we mix yellow and blue, we get green. When we mix pink and green, we get brown. When we mix green and brown, we get different shade of green. Grow with Tiger and Major.